Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram files not showing in File Manager in Samsung on Settings. We will click here on Settings, then we come here to Settings window and we will go down. We will click here on Apps, then we come here to Apps window and we will just go down here to looking for a Telegram app in this is window. We will just go down to found Telegram app and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come to next window here like you say. We will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will just click here on storage, and we come to a storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage, and we will just go up. We will click here in app, and we will click here on clear local, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing. See you in next video.